Welcome back to MSK's tutorial on MIL and SIL. In Part 3, we'll be covering the model in the loop, or MIL. For this example, we've selected the simple SIL controller. Now we could simply execute the Simulink model and we would have an MIL simulation. To control the model, there are 5 toggle switches in the console subsystem. One to control whether or not there's an obstacle in the way of the window, one each for the driver up and down command, and one each for the passenger up and down command. Obviously, this is not very easy or convenient for automated testing. Therefore, we're going to replace some of these toggle switches with from workspace blocks so that we can use scripting to do some of that automated testing. Here you can see the console subsystem with the toggle switches replaced by from workspace blocks. There is a time and a value variable for each of those toggle switches. We've also changed the default value of one of the constant blocks, which is necessary for the model to simulate as expected. Next, we'll show a sample script that will allow us to run some automated testing on this model. The first part of this script defines some parameter values that we can use to select the model that we want to run, which input test conditions we want to simulate, what is the expected results file, and whether or not we want to plot these results. The next section then opens that model. On the left side, the next part of the script sets the values for the variables to load into the workspace. On the right side, we simulate the model, and next, we check it against the expected results file. You'll notice that the minimum RMS function is an MSK-specific function we use to compare the value of the time traces. After we run the script, we get our figure to show the expected versus the actual results and a confirmation in the command line. Now that we've run some MIL simulations, it's time to create our first software in the loop, or SIL. For more information, come check out our website at the address listed below.